Hi, my name is Sam Dhanashekaran and welcome to this Oracle 12c database video series. In this video, we will take a look into how we can install Oracle 12c in a desktop environment. So I'm going to install Oracle 12c in Windows 7. Okay, so go to oracle.com and go to downloads, go to where is database. Okay, that should be database. Okay, and accept the license agreement. I'm going to download Oracle 12c release 1 for Microsoft Windows 64-bit operating system. I'm going to click see all, again accepting the license, and I'm going to download this. When you click, it will ask your username and password. If you don't have one, you can register for free. So go ahead and download. So if you see, I'm downloading both the files. So it's going to take a while. Let's come back after a while. Okay, we have downloaded these files. So now I'm going to extract them. Okay, so now I'm going to extract those two compressed files that I downloaded from Oracle. Okay, file number 1, file number 2. Okay, so the important thing that you would need to note is these two files should be extracted to a same folder. Okay, so I'm going to do a right click, extract all. So I'm going to load it into, let's say, okay, Winx 64 12c software. Okay, so that's gonna take a while. Okay, that file has been extracted. Now let me go to the second file. Okay, I'm gonna extract this. I'm gonna put this on the same folder. Okay, I know the folder name. I'm gonna do a copy and paste. Okay, so I'm extracting the second file also into the same folder as I did for the first file. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, it's done. So let's go into this folder. Okay, I like to see everything as details format. So I'm going to run setup.exe. Okay, it's starting the Oracle Universal Installer, which is commonly referred as OUI. Okay, I'm gonna skip this step. That's fine. I'm gonna skip software updates. Okay, I am not only going to install the database software, I'm also going to create and configure a database. So I choose this option. Okay, I'm going to use desktop class as I'm installing this in my desktop. Actually, this option is new in Windows, where Oracle wants us to specify a user as which those Oracle services would be will run after the installation. That's for security. Or Oracle gives us an option to create a new Windows user so that the services would run under that username, and that user will not be an interactive login user, meaning that you cannot log in as that user and do interaction with the desktop. That's for security purpose, and Oracle discourages us to use Windows built-in account. So obviously I'll choose this. I'm just kidding. Since this is a demonstration box, I'm gonna keep things simple. Okay. One more thing to note here is, if you're really doing a production or an enterprise edition installation in a Windows server, and that's for an Oracle rack, then you would need to choose an Windows domain user account to create rack to install this. Okay, but that's for advanced users. So for this video, I'm just going to use the Windows built-in account. You selected to use built-in account for installation. Oracle recommends to specify some other user. I'm going to say yes. Okay, I'm doing this again. Remember, generally whatever Oracle recommends, or any software vendor, when they whatever recommendation they do, it's always a good idea to follow that. So, but since this is a demonstration box, I'm going to use Windows built-in account to keep things simple. Okay, so this is the next screen where I'm going to leave everything, almost everything, to the default values here, like the Oracle base location, software location, and everything. And I'm just going to change this database name. Let's say demo 12. Okay, password, that's always okay. Password, let me keep it as Oracle 12C, Oracle 12C. Okay, and it's asking us to create a container database. Some of you might have already seen my first video in Oracle 12C series, which explains about what is a container database and what is a pluggable database. So you may want to refer that. So I'm going to go ahead and create a container database. Okay. Okay, the password that I gave is, it's very simple. So Oracle is giving me a warning about that. Again, I'm keeping these things simple, as this is a demo system. Okay, so it's going to do a prerequisite check and would give me a report or warning if something needs to be changed or doesn't conform to the prerequisite. Okay, so everything should be fine. I'm installing it. So it's going to take a while. Okay, so in between I got this warning message. Windows Firewall has blocked some features of this program. I'm going to allow access. Proceeding further. So it started database configuration assistant, and it's copying the database files and creating it's going to create the database. For me, what happened was when it opened this new window, database configuration assistant, it took almost about 2 minutes to populate the window with these contents. So for the last 2 minutes, it was just this pop-up window with empty gray area. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe my desktop, maybe the Java program got hung or not. Okay, but I decided to wait, and looks like it's progressing. Okay, the installation is done. It says that this is the global database name, and then the SID is this. The parameter file is located here, and to access it using Enterprise Manager Control, this is the URL. So I'm gonna open that URL, which I already did. So I went there, I pressed enter, and then it gives me the login screen where I'm gonna log in as sys, and the password is Oracle 12c that I gave. Login. Cool. That's it. So we just install Oracle 12c, and I'm gonna click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching.